Hey, what's going on? Listen, do you ever feel like you are just broken? Like you can't get right? You can't get it together? No matter what you are trying to do, it just ain't working out. Well, the last week and a half, that's what I felt like. I came down with COVID a couple weeks ago, tested positive, had cold chills for about 2 days. Felt like I was beaten down for a couple days, but now, I'm on the mend. But I feel like I'm broken. I feel like I'm not who I used to be. I feel like I'm in somebody else's body. I feel like I'm broken and need to be mended back together, but I'm just not mending back together. But you know what? I'm looking to God, because when I am at my weakness, God is at his strongest. When I am broken, God is there to repair me. When I feel like I need to be mended back together, God is there with his open hands, ready to mend me back together. So when you feel like you are at your weakness, God is ready to take you in and to recover, restore whatever it is that you're dealing with. So if you're listening to this video, the message is right now, if you feel broken, look to God, because he is there ready to restore you. If you are feeling like this, it's going to be okay. Just keep living, keep breathing, and you will mend back together. It might not be today, but when days go by, it will get better. So take it as you see it. It might be where God is just trying to slow you down, to let you see the world through his eyes. Slow down, calm down, and just slow down. That way you can see the world through God's eyes. You're going to be okay. Just keep living, keep breathing, keep on keeping on, and I will be there to restore you, says God. So God bless each and every one of y'all. This is my message. Hope y'all like it. Hopefully it helped somebody that may need to hear this message. Keep on keeping on. Until next time, cruising at God's speed.